Hey gang, Brian Prasinski coming to you live from San Diego. Want to talk to you a little bit today about maintaining minimum bend radius. Serious stuff. And our best practices in wiring cable. Listen, look at the spec sheet that your manufacturer provides on your wiring cable and don't go under the minimum bend radius. What that means is don't bend this cable, don't loop it, don't tie it tighter than the minimum bend radius specification the manufacturer provides. What that means is, for instance, let's take this category cable with a nominal OD of 0.25. 10 times that, about 2.5 inches. So we shouldn't be bending this cable, looping it around corners any further than 2.5 inches. Make it a little wider, give it some space. Reason is, not necessarily for mechanical purposes, although that does come into play, but more importantly, the electrical and electronic characteristics. When we bend this wire cable too tight, it ain't right, number one. And number two, we create pressure so that those center conductors may migrate off center, pushing outward because of the force from the radius, pushing them out of center and compromising the signal integrity. So gang, do yourself a favor and your manufacturer friends like me and stay within that minimum bend radius. Pardon me. If you have any questions, you guys, call me. We'll talk about it. All right, thanks you guys. Have a good day. Happy wiring cabling.